This is a shell stitch granny square, and I want to show you how I did it. So if you come along for the ride, I will show you. So this tutorial is going to be for the shell stitch granny square. And I changed the yarn color because I feel like it would be better to see. But to start, we were going to start with a magic circle. Now I do a magic circle like so. I wrap around 3 times. I grab my hook, and I am using a 3.75 hook, and I go right here in the middle, pull the yarn, wrap it around, pull, and then what I do from there is I take it off my finger. And okay, so we are going to chain up 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the first 3 will be a double crochet, and then the additional stitch is a chain 1. So we're going to put another double crochet in this magic circle, and we're going to chain 1, another double crochet, and chain 1, and we're going to do that until we have 8 in total. So this is our 4th one, chain 1, 5th one, chain 1, 6th one, chain 1, 7th one, chain 1, and 8th one, chain 1. Okay, and we're going to pull our magic circle closed. Okay, and then we're going to slip stitch right into the top of the first chain we did. Okay. Okay. All right, now what we're going to do is from this step, you're going to see that each one of these has a chain in the center here. Okay, and we're going to chain up 3, and this is going to be our first double crochet. So in the first hole here, we are going to put 6 double crochets for a total of 7, and that's going to be our first shell. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. So we should have 7 total. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from here in the next hole, we're going to put a single crochet. So a single crochet is you go through right in here, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And then in the next one, we're going to put a total of 7 double crochets. Okay, and that is just the shell stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the next stitch, we were going to put a single crochet. So we go in, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, and then in the next one, we are going to do another 7 double crochets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then from here, we are going to do the same thing. So we are going to put a single crochet in the next stitch right in here. Okay, and then in the next one here, we are going to do another 7 double crochets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and for this here, we're going to put a single crochet. Okay, and then we will slip stitch right into the top of this chain. Okay, and that is the end of round 2. Okay, so let's start on round 3. Okay, so for this one here, what we're going to do is we're going to chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right back here, we're going to go ahead and put a double crochet in. And this is going to be our first V-stitch. So the V-stitch is going to be a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. For the beginning of the round, the chain 3 plus 1, 4 chains up is 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then we put a double crochet. Okay, and now you see the shell here. What we're going to do is we have to bypass the shell, and we're making a square right now in this round. So we're going to chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and from there, we are going to go right in here, and we are going to put a V-stitch. Okay, so we're going to go right in here, and we're going to double crochet. Okay, chain 1, double crochet, and then what we're going to do is chain 3 because this is going to be a corner. Okay, and we're going to put another V-stitch right into the same stitch we did before. So we got to chain 1 and then another double crochet. Okay, and that is our first corner right there. Okay, so from there we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of the cluster or the shell, we are going to do another V-stitch. Now remember, a V-stitch is a double crochet. So we do a double crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet. That is a V-stitch, okay? And then we are going to do 1, 2, 3 because we are making a corner. And we're going to put another V-stitch right in here. So we do that. 1, chain 1, another V-stitch right in here. Okay, and that has made our other corner. So now you can see that it's making a square. So we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, skip the shell, and then we double crochet, make another V-stitch right at the end of that shell. So it's 1, chain 1, another double crochet in that same stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, another double crochet right in this stitch here, and then we're going to chain 1 and then another double crochet. Okay, and that will make our other square, our other corner. Okay, and we're going to do that one more time. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the shell, and at the end, right where this one is, see where we started this V-stitch? We're going to do another V-stitch. So we got to go in here, and we do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 because it's a corner, and we're going to slip stitch it right in here. All right, and that is our third round is done. And you can see the shape taking form now. So let's move on to the next round. Okay, so now let's start the fourth round. Fourth round, we are going to chain up 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be one of our shells. 1 double crochet in our shells. We're going to put 6 double crochets in this stitch right here. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this is where it's going to get a little weird. So where we chained 5, we are going to look for the middle double crochet in the shell in the previous round. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the 4th stitch, we are going to put a single crochet in the 4th stitch. Okay, and that's going to close off that. All right, and we're going to go into the next stitch here, this next hole where we did a single crochet, or I'm sorry, where we did a chain in between where we did the V-stitch. We're going to put a cluster of 7 double crochets. So that's the shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then in the corner here, we're just going to do a single crochet right in here. Okay, single crochet, and then in the V-stitch from the previous round, we're going to do another 7 double crochets. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then right in here again, we are going to find the 4th stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to put a single crochet right into the 4th stitch. Okay. All right. And now we are going to do the same thing right in here. Put a 7 double crochets. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then right in here is a single crochet. We put a single crochet in this one, okay? And then right in here we put 7 double crochets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And then we do the same thing right here. In the 4th stitch, we do a single crochet, okay? And then right in this V-stitch, we're going to put another 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And then right in here, a single crochet. And then right in this one, we're going to put 7 double crochets. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put, and we're going to do the same thing. So on the 4th stitch, we're going to single crochet. So there we go. Okay. And then we do another 7 double crochets right in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then to finish this round off, we're going to single crochet right in the corner here. And then we're going to slip stitch it right at the top of the first chain. All right. And that is the next round. All right, so this video is already kind of long, so this is going to conclude our tutorial. If you want to know how to go into the next round, I can do a video. Just leave a comment, let me know if you want me to do the next round. I can do that. All right, I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and as always, don't forget to like and follow, and I'll talk to you guys later.